should order coffee before work.
Emma?
Huh?
Emma Johnson?
Oh my... Liam?
Yes, it's really you.
I can't believe this.
Wow, it's been so long.
How long? 2 years?
Almost 3, I think.
This is crazy.
I almost didn't call your name.
I'm glad you did.
You look great, by the way.
Thank you. You too.
What are you doing here?
I work nearby now. You?
I moved back last month.
Really? I had no idea.
Yeah, life changed a lot.
Same here, actually.
In a good way?
Mostly good. New job, new routine.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I started my own small business.
Wow, that's amazing.
It's stressful, but I like it.
I'm really happy for you.
Thanks, that means a lot.
Do you still like photography?
Yes, I do it every weekend.
Some things never change.
True.
I didn't expect this today at all.
Me neither. I was just getting coffee.
Same. What a coincidence.
Do you have time to sit for a bit?
Yes, I do.
Great, let's grab a table.
It feels nice seeing you again.
Yeah, really nice.
We should not disappear this time.
Agreed.
Let's exchange numbers again.
Definitely.
I'm glad you called my name.
Me too.
Today just became better.
Funny how life works.
Very funny.
So, coffee first?
Coffee first.
And catching up after.
I'd like that a lot. Oh no. Not now, please.
Are you okay?
Oh, sorry. I think I dropped something.
What did you drop?
My access card. I need it for the meeting.
Is it this one?
Yes, that's mine. Thank you so much.
No problem.
I was really stressed.
I could see that.
It shows, right?
A little.
I'm Emma, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Daniel.
Do you work on this floor?
Yes, marketing team.
Oh, I'm in finance.
Busy day?
Very busy. This meeting is important.
I hope it goes well.
Thanks. You saved me.
Happy to help.
It's nice when someone helps without asking.
Kindness is easy.
That's true. Most people just look away.
I've been there before.
Lost something?
Yes, my phone.
Oh no.
A stranger helped me find it.
So you're returning the favor.
Exactly.
That's really nice.
Floor 6.
This is my floor.
Good luck with your meeting.
Thank you again, Daniel.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
You too.
Oh no, I can't believe this.
Hey, Sarah, are you okay?
Oh, hi, Mike.
You look very upset. What happened?
I missed the office bus. Just 5 minutes late.
Only 5 minutes?
Yes, I ran, but it was already gone.
That's really frustrating.
I woke up late today and everything went wrong.
Are you going back home now?
Yes, I don't know what else to do.
Didn't you try another bus?
The next one is very late.
And you don't want to be late to the office.
Exactly. My manager is very strict.
I'm going to the office right now.
Really?
Yes, but I'm in a different department.
That's okay. At least it's the same office.
Do you want to come with me?
Are you sure?
Of course, it's on the way.
I don't want to disturb you.
You're not disturbing me at all.
That's very kind of you.
No problem. We're colleagues.
I was feeling so stressed.
Missing the bus can ruin the whole morning.
Yes, I felt like crying.
Don't worry, you'll reach on time now.
Thank you so much, Mike.
Get in, we should leave quickly.
I really appreciate this.
So, tough morning?
Very tough. Even my phone battery died.
Wow, everything at once.
Yes, today is not my day.
The day will get better, trust me.
I hope so.
Do you often take the office bus?
Every day. It's usually very reliable.
Except today.
Exactly.
At least you met me today.
Yes, that's the good part.
See, something good always happens.
You're right. I feel much better now.
We'll reach in 10 minutes.
That's perfect.
And don't worry about being late.
Thanks again, Mike. You saved my day.
Anytime, Sarah.
Oh no, where am I? This map is not helping. I think I'm lost. My hotel should be near here. This street looks unfamiliar.